Welcome back to American Wing Chun. I am Sifu Matt, and today is day 14 of our 25 Days of Christmas Wooden Dummy Exercises for Beginners series. Today's technique is the Advancing Gaun-Da. So starting from a further distance away from the dummy where I can't reach to the arms too well, I'm going to step in with the chin bow that we've been using, and I'm going to gum sao with my front hand, but I'm going to step with my back hand to strike. So I'm going to do a gum sao, pressing down on this lower arm, and palm strike or punch to the center, leaving that palming hand in front as I come back, and then I do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to do the gum sao and the strike, stepping with the striking hand for this technique. Again, if you're doing the Gaun-Da, you're stepping with the Gaun sao side. You're doing the Gum-Da, the pinning hand, you're stepping with the striking side. So leave the palm always out in front, no matter which technique you're doing. The palm that hits is the one that stays in front as you come back. I'm going to gum sao and palm. I'm going to Gum-Da, pressing down and palming in. And I'm still doing the same chin bow to cover this distance. If he's kicking or stepping in, I want to make sure I'm circling around that leg. And if he strikes in to my lower body with some kind of attack, I want to be able to press that down. And actually, that should be this other side. And defend that hand while I'm simultaneously attacking him with my other hand. So we have this simultaneous attack and defense, making sure I'm able to pock and press down onto this arm. And again, the gum sao is just a pock that pushes down. So if he's punching low, you're basically just pocking really low and keeping that pinned to his body. Pinning hand, gum sao. The Gaun sao, if you want to know the translation of that, the Gaun sao is a splitting arm. Splitting arm means your arm gets split like an axe splitting wood. So Gaun sao means splitting arm. So I'm not doing a splitting motion with this gum sao. I'm doing a pinning motion. I pin his arm down and in to his body. So that's where that goes. I leave that hand in front as I come back, and I gum and palm, or gum and punch. Again, does not matter. But stepping with the attacking side on this one. So that is day 14, the Advancing Gaun-Da. It's pretty simple.